Hello everyone, this is me and it's a long time I showed my you didn't open this before, so let's open it. So it's like, you can't see this inside. Okay, if we use get up. Fuck you. So let's open it. It's just a very like this, like this, and just go. Like you won't really. It's like that. I got it out for you to see everything. Okay. A mini ball pen, and then this is okay. The mini notebook. So here, and after there. Yeah. So I got it like this. I don't know my name. Know my name. This was kind of hard to make this. You can't see what you're doing, but you can see it. Things like that. Wait, actually, right. Yeah. Let's get about my half name. And then the weapons kind of lame, so I'm gonna call it this. Turkey, not. Just food. And then just like folder stuff in these ones. Oh, donut. It's like these ones. Like these, they come in tree. And then the back is put the side things. The back, look, see? Good sides. And then the double stickers. Look good. Look alike. Sticker. And this sticky pad. And I already showed you this, but I want to show you again. A cute, but you don't see that's open, and then you can put things. So that's the last one. Another bag. Cute bag. You can read this. And then have this one. This. And then so cute. Bye. My mom bought this on that one, so yeah, bye. You don't look pretty. Just joking. This is a joke. If you really believe in that number, 330.